I'm Remo Lesiona, Senior Studying Biosystems Engineering, Michigan State University. My poster is on Opherian torsion classification using machine learning algorithms. Opherian torsion is an obstruction of blood to an ovary. The condition affects reproductive age women. Diagnosis of the condition involves patient uh, patient history investigation, medical examination, and imaging. Routine analysis of the patient creates room for exploring machine learning algorithms for diagnosis. 429 dataset were used in this project, 299 for training and 129 for testing. The process involves single feature classification using decision trees to find significant features, a multiple feature classification using our random trees and decision trees, and then a logistic regression to obtain coefficient for creating a nomogram. Comparing the decision trees and random trees performance, which is shown in this table 1, the random trees classifier perform better based on all the performance criteria, which are accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, and area under the curve. The learning curve for classifiers were generated to examine for fitting and underfitting. The learning curves can be seen in figure 3 and figure 4. As the number of the samples increases, we can see in the learning curves, the training and the validation accuracy converge, showing no or minimal evidence of overfitting or underfitting. Lastly, a nomogram was created using R language and Python. The nomogram is the one shown here. This nomogram is for R language. A nomogram is a graphical representation of a logistic regression. It outputs a number between 0 to 1, which is shown in this risk, 0.001 to 0.999. Then this can indicate the patient risk of having a particular disease. The R language has an inbuilt library for creating a nomogram, but Python language doesn't have any inbuilt library. So for the Python, it was created from scratch using the logistic regression coefficient. After creating the two nomograms, we compared them just by looking at them, and there was a close resemblance between the R language and Python. The R language and Python nomogram. The future work and the significance of this project are, so we need to fine tune the parameters for plotting a nomogram, also finding a way of validating the accuracy of the nomogram, and also optimizing the classification features to reduce any possible overfitting and underfitting of the data. So this project can be significant in that it can help in early diagnosis of a disease. Also, creating visualizing techniques like nomogram can make it easy for people to read, to interpret machine learning algorithms. Thank you for listening.